Here we are with another Express video. Today we have a challenging job that we're looking at, and we'd like to do some test cuts on it. The job is machining a 16 thousandths wide slot. In order to do that, we're going to use 6 thou diameter wire, partly because the job requires a maximum inside corner radius of 4 thou, and also to be able to machine the slot we need a wire star hole. For that star hole, we're going to use our EDM hole drilling machines, and we're going to burn with a 8 thou diameter wire or electrode. In addition, there's a cross hole that's through this slot that's going to be machined before we do the job, and we're very concerned about the threading on this. So let's check out what's going on in the hole popper, and we'll take it from there. Okay, here we are in the hole popper. You can see here's our piece of material. It's just a scrap piece of steel. But we got this cross hole going through here that I can stick this pin into. And that's going to be in the part when we get it. And we need the EDM drill a hole going down through here. So why don't we turn on the machine and check this out. Okay, the machine's going over and finding the end of the electrode, because the electrode actually burns down as it burns the hole. So the electrode continuously gets shorter. The machine just found the end of the electrode, moved over to the hole, and now it's going to start burning. See that little blue spark in there? That's the electrode starting to burn the hole. Okay, here we have the machine. It's almost getting through the hole. Should be getting through there sure. And now you see the little spark underneath it on the bottom. I'm going to just let the electrode burn through a little deeper to make sure the hole is full diameter. Okay, we are done EDM hole drilling our holes. You can see the holes right here. We ended up drilling 18 holes in a line. This here is a 7 thou pin through here. We'll take a look at that going in the other direction. You can see it very well. These holes again were drilled with an 8 thou diameter electrode, and this is about a 200 thousandths thick piece of hardened A2. So let's take another look at this part, looking at the through hole that's going through it, and you can see that there is a hole all the way through this part. Okay, here you see the part from the other direction. You can see our 7 thou pin is actually through this hole. If there wasn't this cross hole through this part, I would say our wire machine would probably thread through these holes all day long. The challenge is, though, with that interrupted cut, that wire needs to come down, hit the first hole, and then hit the second hole to be able to thread. So we're going to see how this works. I'm a little nervous about it, to be honest with you, but we're going to see how this goes. So let's get this thing in the wire machine. Let's check it out. Okay, here we are. We have now wire EDM the slots in this part. You can see that the slots are all the way through. This job ran fairly well, and we've submitted a test cut and a quote to our customer, and we'll see what happens. Thank you as always for watching our videos.